gima tie kar mo chon ma donjo tich i local government wane madama weng senior mo achiel Jomilan pian madam Land Secretary i sub county level. So madam and kupe ke jomo WI. So John konye kere meeting mo Minister of Land. So kar me kere share meeting mo kuno for 4 hours. Chaka cha angwen gek cha boro. Ka charo mewa bas. Ka dugudong ge rata C5. Ke Kampala kuno ke meeting ni gendo waja now inung rajo. Ka yen staff me moro ka dog mo pe yat bas do wan go waduhe. E kuno endo chako nongo nama pa dama wa ni ti mor mi ona ma chimi. Wa yin be ga mai wa in ke zo pa mo ti do wa ku pe cha ti ka chelo. Ta ga madama bi bere ni ana ya da cha ko go ri chimdo. Ni ane mero madama reporting bal won ko bi jang ne cha ga ma chimo me ma wadu ga ko nyam ke la ti yele lo ke ma. So gana nga and ke team ya. How I got blacklisting nama now. That is the 2018. So blacklisting nama now. All along though. At least no look gira yela. Don't karmo in Chako Bien in sub county. Bien in sub county. Go Bien office. Chako bor madama.
Sub county meaning.
La Kwana sub county kama madama ti. Chako bor da now. Yin ka pe mera abi tor ti jachuare miar kene no yin chang meta an be goe be mer rumio ko be rinti degree dong mera wa be bet CDO ya chuare ya no pa mera ne ko meta ki ber ka yin no riam chuare be chuare chak ti ber center man berie ti ye to be dong gore kan ko cha wen ka uchara ta no to tinga ki be pigi ebe no opportunity mi lok madama kuna en tunye tie so madung med lok en lo ne mo ne due ne la par bich du ma pa en no pet cha wa jan ini na wa kan en ka AC5 ni na wa kan pe na wa tiang pe ngo ana nya na ma kan cha wa mi lok kiri no bir wa de ka cham cha wa che in ngi ra ro to ti cha ma ga ana wa won ko man no pe ngo ni pe piem kara an passion of high rank in government and can even kill you kai piem kara so do jo ha be ne pe mer pe nonsense and ling ku le war ndo don wa jo be ne ana be chara be wo chi da be nuri pe tem piem kara in ngai gi and don't regret. So handling of it. I took it lightly. I found the mama got to grudge mom and on to walk go for mama. It took on 4 days. Madam go activities, Mizoa, the Joe. Madam Papa begin. Jago now in the work came out of Johnny. I'm a power, Madam Macar, and putter. Ni indi water mutahaba John by district ya na activity in district go area mutaham government and AC5 mti ya du ki mutahama gen ko chara mabe ka dugudo madam do wai cha yere eme guru wa nyime ma ko chi wa cha ko la ka wa ngal do mer bu ke madam do dugu te ta en that is after 4 days nge gen te me pet no taten yango madam do te ta madam ana cha party te because I'm very busy ka bora ko pet ma waji kan ben kill me bi ruwanyo ti cha ma kan so madam why now this is serious
so madam ni mo bere aroma di
apa bi no em da ma nyum ba
so lu tiang ba
tiang wen
matine ma di
dirne ma hari ak duario ma dir ma para Bulan par che.
Now, so then, so long my old map.
And don't kill audio. One do deciding as a family, which are reporting in case of police. The logi. Because any reporting center. But you are la logi. Joint where do dire a go chim DPC do team no DPC office we are on a beach. John White they are ready on it to mediate us and have dialogue. We case get on registering. Was AC5 looking local levy down on me report team command. Ye dialogue. How are you registering case one for dialogue? Our case no can registering because you bore when you pana. Nyara. So do king in choice complaint letter region. Ma copy ni betie. Complaint region address to regional CID. Ma jar ko no be regional CID do waje ke open in case where region. So do reporting in case that threatening violence mo bo ro pet ke dong in this and assault ma yamba gudu wani madam ke wen. Ko pet ke lujo magyo chare felwa bazoa or registering case in intimidation no bara tim be pol gera wajo sipanga iro and case file number ne TN ma wa registering kere ke ngero tam ma wa kwata ke gama ku bere chane in this and assault evidence pe and actual put go chim cha wen go chim madam cha mo ga except page wo me go pe no ngira tie. This is number 9 reference numbers by case more reporting. So ke me kenyo
be do andi
enu bere a cheikh do par che ne do retie e to pa wi da po ko bere so wando wa char wana madam recording statement when and recording statement when evidence madong no for indecent assault and the good nyime mo be waje audio ke dong no ngo pet ma ya bo ra ke be wa waje pian madam da waje ni na we inde be to chai mero pian memory ka no pe chi ma biana we memory ta gudu ka nya chara karu installing memory card when going to stand by but I go to chim I ka go chim memory card pe gam mo be miss ko le puti ba gwa until memory card don ke installing when mo be ka winyo audio be open ni memory card ni cha winyo be ka memory card chim be very careful memory card is very bad but I watch anyway so madam don ta kada win memory card chi do anda do ka ti right now near ti go chin ba lo wa me ka recording do one when ke dey win cha playing under win under right now this is evidence
mero ni ando di
ya pier go bor
me do pa
mo e don and go chin madam don cha me na one any do cha win ne ana any wrong teach pian ma che lo no pet ki dong lo ka gudu ko ni jok do be ne ko be wa no wajo no wa cha ber no ni evidence ti wa cha ta mo mete mai process court and ching bar ja ma dong ka bi no enemy no la ta wa che bitar cha dan threatening violence ma ya no ka ni
the police
gena do chu mo ya la evidence wa cha ti court
so now in ko mama para madam in ko audio in
for wedding police CPS moro magyan ka register in case ke for wedding but advocate mo better advising one
lo ni yana
gena ngat mo le mo fida so mangere lo ni pero mo leking gini ka ngene leking chike CPS more not a region be on again leking cause keta gyan tara ke kono no is not good they were rude they don't complain much I come to be I think no about do to have swingy be on again tara Sidong ku beri chat.
No, in go in politician mo chala worry kono speaker gini.
No, they have been again go at him at all. The decision no one that is here. Mega came up by madam. And idea me recording 1 year minimum evidence just to help us in court.
Okay. So, so ikom gin in a way intermiro. No ngon mati timire lorin oil court timire police investigating on com kaya no.
An tamatini court ukonywa. Meri court processi America nyima chadena mambetaro. Gina ku beri chat ta kwa ma wan kere the number of call no receive. We cannot even contain. Down me on young what man. When I'm getting WhatsApp, go when I'm getting what is happening? What is going on? Down in the down mania. Because down up in young it was arrangement to get the evidence.
Okay,
and because air recording air me. Well, to review one come the memory card by him and one come will relax. Maybe in the audio. I don't go at a chimpenya, no other team, and our security. There is political politicians, Makonyo Korekun. They are not doing good to us. The war winning court and wow, Manopete Mechon, they don't lock campaign, which I can lock by me win. Maybe I win. And I can tell my politician my little be
So luar ni sekit ni or sekretarian kidong long meti.
Dokitich job security. You are trying out to teacher. Mobile waje audio much evidence here. And pa na to twale eno. Gor chim madano gor wa chim twal. As security job security kidong ka gwa town mega wajo explaining ke community nyo ke down way. The volume of call will reduce. Genatamo eno.
Okay.
And genatamo ay ko na bien ga win kom.
Okay.
Tamo wrong mina.
Okay. So in the way no chini kan boss at the mande. Ano mo bundo mo ni perni. Ano ay bien mande. Ti bien ay ando.
Okay. Chuan kan.
Chuan kan.